In this video, we are going to learn to build a Python program to calculate area of a parallelogram. So first, we find out the equation of parallelogram, what are the inputs required, and then the output we are going to calculate. So let us find out the first, what is the area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. So area of a parallelogram is base multiplied by height. In this case, our goal is this program is to calculate area of A, and I'm going to copy the spelling of a parallelogram. Now the input is going to be the base and the second input is going to be height, and the output is going to be area of a parallelogram. We can take the example, input example. If the base is 10 and height is 20, then the output expectation would be 200. Now let us write the program. The two inputs, so it's going to be base equal to float input, enter base, height equal to float input, enter height. And now we are going to calculate the area of A. I'm going to paste that. Parallelogram equal to base multiply by height. And we are going to print. We are going to say area of parallelogram is nothing but area of parallelogram for base equal to is and height, and copy paste again, height equal to height. Now that our program is complete, we can run it. So if we run it, there is an error, there is an and. Here we are going to, the quote is missing, so that we added, and we should be good. So input 10, height 20, and the output is 200. So that is for calculating the area of a parallelogram. Thank you.